Alright, 987 Porsche owners and 997 Porsche owners. Here is the passenger side door handle. And here's one of my renderings. Here's this casting, and it just didn't come out right. I've got a couple others, but this is my best so far. Still have to kind of do a little bit more refining here, but it's smooth. Anyways, I'm getting close. So the hardest part was getting the part right through here correct. That was the by far the hardest part. I think for where it attaches to the car, I think I'm just going to Dremel this out, you know, and it's fairly easy to kind of smoothen out all the ripples here, since aluminum is a little bit softer metal. But anyways, I thought I'd share with you maybe possibly the very first inside door pulls in aluminum for a 997, 987. So there you have it. Here's a kind of another one I cast. Big whoops there. But again, the biggest success here is the door pull. That is very, very hard to do. Very glad I'm not dremeling all of that out, because at a certain point you are shaping and creating, and I just want to duplicate. All right.